This video is all about a tripod that I purchased online. I just want to show you guys the unboxing and my thoughts or opinion about this tripod. So anyway, this is a mini tabletop tripod from Andoer. Its design is just like the Manfrotto PIXI Evo mini tripod. Inside the box, we have a user manual showing the parts of the tripod, a thank you card from Andoer, the ball head, and the legs. The ball head is well made and it doesn't feel cheap at all. It's made out of high quality plastic and aluminum. To turn the knob platform, you need to twist the knob head located at the side so you can tilt the platform on any angles you want. Twist the knob head counterclockwise to lock knob platform. Next is the legs. The black portion is made out of high quality plastic and aluminum. It has an adjustment angle that has two different setups. The A setup will make the tripod stand. Twist the adjustment platform so you can get to other setup. The B setup will make the tripod stand but little bit closer on the ground. Its legs can also be extended just like the PIXI Evo. To assemble the tripod, just mount the ball head on the legs. Twist it and you're good. I purchased this on Lazada for about 599 pesos or just $12 in the US. I'll link it in the description below. In comparison to Manfrotto PIXI Evo, which costs 2,180 pesos, this is way more cheaper and it will save your money. The tripod doesn't feel cheap and it's very well made. It's made up of high quality plastic and aluminum. If you're looking for a mini tripod for vlogging, I highly recommend buying this tripod for its cheap and affordable price. I hope you like this video and I hope it helps you in choosing your gear in making videos or making vlogs whatsoever. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching.